Hey guys, what's going on? It's just a quick intro to my 4 gigabytes of RAM. Upgrading my Mac, 4 gigabytes of RAM from 1 gig. I've been wanting to do this for a while because 1 gig just isn't enough for Leopard and stuff like that. So finally got the 4 gigs. And I upgraded my Mac on video for you guys. So stay tuned to see the upgrade. Alright guys, so as you can see, here I have my Imac set up. It's all off the thing. If I pick up the tripod, that's where it usually goes. So, yes, let me zoom in. Here's my RAM. It is 4 gigs, 2 gig each of Super Talent RAM. If you can see that. So, yeah. And so I'm just going to get right on with taking this off. Hope you guys can see this. Try to do it at an angle where you can see. Okay, I'm going to need a bigger screwdriver, so I'll be back in like a second. Alright guys, I'm back. Got a better screwdriver. And I'm going to take this off. Shouldn't be that hard. It's kind of hard when it's sitting on a table. Sorry if you can't see that, but this isn't that interesting. And it should come out. Is it out? I don't know. Let me take it off the table here. You still see that? Zoom in. Alright. The corners don't seem to be coming out. I don't know what's going on. Alright, I'm gonna update you guys when I get the... Oh, no, here we go. Alright, I got this thing out. So now, I'm gonna adjust the camera angle so you guys can see in there better. Alright, it should be easier to see over here. Zoom in over there. Let me get my light. Alright, now as you can see, one of the RAM slots is already in there. I'm not exactly sure how you get this out. There's supposed to be some kind of tab like on this side, but I don't see a tab. Okay, I might need to make another cut. I don't really like making cuts, but I don't know how to get this out, so see you in another soon. Alright you guys, I finally got the RAM out. For some reason the flap was different, so I had to take these both. Sorry about I accidentally hit the tripod. And I had to put them in there to take the flap out. Like that. Try to get this done quick because my battery is running out and I don't know if I'm over my 10-minute mark. Already I could be. So here's the new RAM. Supposed to put it in like this. You want the label facing down like that. And I think, just let me compare it to my old RAM. Here's the old RAM. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna put it in like this. Wish me luck. I'm supposed to hear some kind of a click. Alright, I felt that it's in. I didn't really hear a click though. Alright. Alright. Oh, whoops, I put the wrong side up. I want to put it without the side up. Force it in there, and you're going to have to force it, but as you can tell when it's in place. And then just move the flap there, and I will give you guys an update when I've got it back set up over there. Alright you guys, here's a first boot up of hopefully what is going to work in my 4 gigs of RAM. Got the keyboard, mouse hooked up, everything is hooked up back here. Here's power, display, all that other stuff. So here we go. I'm going to hold down the Alt key because I have Windows installed on this, and sometimes it boots into Windows if I don't hold down the Alt key, because that is what you do to choose. So I'm just gonna hold it down right here. Probably have to cut some of this out. Well, there you go. Choose Mac hard drive, and there we are. And yeah, I kind of sound like John for Lakers because I keep like making my voice go higher. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out John for Lakers channel, JON 4 like 4 Lakers. Quick little plug to him right there. Don't know why. Alright, so everything started up. Got my dock and everything. And now here we go. I'm going to About This Mac. Whoops. Quick software update. Okay, About This Mac. And there. 4 gigabytes of 667 megahertz DDR2 RAM. That's awesome. Alright, so I know like a lot of it I was like, oh, I'm going to go over the 10-minute, and it turned out to be only probably around 7 minutes 30 seconds. But it was a cool little video, and I wanted to show you guys what it was like in case you wanted to upgrade your Mac, Max RAM. I think it's the same on the white iMac. Not totally sure on that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please comment, rate, and subscribe. So yeah, thanks.